today we talk about how can you clear storage usage on your Telegram X app, or you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to your app. All you have to do, you just go up on this side here, click on it, then it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings, then come to next CPR. So then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you click here on data and storage here, then come to next CPR, click here on storage usage, and here can you just click here on, so you just click here on media interface, and you click here on clear here, then it's going to clear with you. And here can you select if you want to clear all of this, then you click on clear, then it's going to clear with you here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.